everybody, it's Kim Hawk, and I'm known as YouTube's fairy godmother of real estate, and I am here with Raquel, and she is the fairy godmother of building. So I'm super excited to introduce a brand new idea, and it's called Linger or List. What do I mean by that? I know a lot of you out there, you want to stay in your home, but there's problems with the house that you need an extra bathroom, or it's time to redo the kitchen. So many of you have a lot of equity in your home, and guess what? I've got a lender that's going to talk to you about a HELOC, if you want, line of credit, so that you can go in and change up your kitchen or possibly have some flex spaces. And I have the master who knows how to do all of this right here with Raquel. So my dad was an industrial engineer, and I think you kind of have a similar background, right?
Yeah, I'm an industrial engineer as well. In Brazil, we used to call this course as a production engineer, but it's all the same course. So yeah, we are always looking for how to get the most of the space, of the money, and how to make things happen, paying less. So,
What I love is that you're maximizing lifestyle.
yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Always. Everything that you want, probably you may have. We just need to understand how to make it for us.
Yes. So what we're going to show you is that going into a bedroom that has a small closet and no bathroom, she figures out how to put a bathroom and have a closet in there. She and her husband are doing incredible work, but flex space is so important anymore, right? So if they had extra land that they wanted to add to a house, it's possible. And I know that you've done really great work with Bumpus, that's a local architect.
Yeah, we are working with them like a partnership, and they are helping us a lot with the projects. So we are kind of working together in a lot of projects here, and it's been a successful partnership for sure.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you ever wanted to have a larger laundry room, you know, people in this area are used to having a closet that has a washer and a dryer. And so if you have an appointment with us, with Raquel, and she says, oh, no, we can blow out this wall, we can put it here, we can move the electrical here, we can do the plumbing over here. She gets it. She's the fairy godmother of building. And I'm so excited that we're pairing up with one another. So why don't we do this? Why don't we start walking some rooms and you tell people kind of what the process is. Why don't we start with kitchen, and I'll get out of the camera. Okay?
Okay. So here for the kitchen, we remodeled everything. So we used to have another island here in the middle, but it was with bar stools. And now we have a counter type level island it's a huge island when we can have all the friends, all the family together around the island and in the kitchen. And we try to make every single details that could make it work for our daily activities. So it's not so only beautiful, it's also functional. So even from these multi outlets, adding things for the stuff and for work on the island, from a coffee space and wine space. So everything was thought for our daily activity and also for party times with friends. So now we have the island on the same level of the countertop, and everything is much more integrated like it is now. And we have a new fireplace here and other place to enjoy with the friends, everything integrated with the new kitchen. Here in the master, we remodeled all the bathroom. Here used to be our closet, and we changed it. This space is now being used as another room. And here we have a new shower and our new closet. We changed all the stairs to match the new floor. So everything is only one floor in the entire house, including the stairs. Getting upstairs, it was an empty room. It was kind of a useless room for us, so we could not get the most of this space. And now we have here a laundry.
So for celebration, folks, there's a floor plan called the Meridian, and I've been a realtor here since the beginning. And one of my biggest arguments has been with some builders in the past. They only put one bathroom up in a Meridian, and there's 3 bedrooms up here. So what happens, the kids are fighting or whatever, and it just doesn't make any sense to me. There's actually quite a few floor plans that didn't make a lot of sense to me. And because we have the fairy godmother of buildings, she's going to be able to correct it. And I say she's got a wow factor. So Raquel, you want to maybe walk us through and show us what you did that's such a wow to me?
Yeah, for sure. So here we used to have an empty space when we got into the 2nd floor, and we used this space. Now we have, for this bedroom, we have its own closet and its own bathroom. If you have an extra space on your house, on your land, and if you think they're inside your property, we can make use of any additional space. We can do that. So the house used to finish like over here, and we created this addition to make a new office. We had the laundry before, and now that we have the laundry upstairs, now we could get advantage of this space to get a new bathroom for this bedroom. So now we have a new ensuite in the 1st floor, not only the master bedroom.
So can you believe it? We are here in the most incredible outdoor area. This was nothing but grass when they bought this home. And so what's exciting is that they have the ability to bring swimming pools in as well. Recreation areas where the kids can be outside and watch TV. You know, this wonderful Brazilian barbecue area that's got the refrigeration, and it's got a system so that you're not going to get, the splinters in your feet when you're trying to walk around on your floor. The pools, I can tell you right now, guys, it's so impossible to get a pool company to come out to new construction and add a pool. And Raquel can do it all for you. It's a wow factor. You want to talk about this area?
Yeah, we now are the dealer of Iggy Pools. It's a Brazilian fiber pool here in Orlando. So you do not have to wait almost an entire year for your pool. We can have it done for you pretty fast, almost 30 days.
30 days for a pool. I know many of you have been out there saying it's going to be 2 years before you can even get off of a wait list. And here you've got this incredible pool with the most advanced ways in order to clean the pool. Beautiful pavers. They know how to get the fences in. They know how to just add everything that you're going to want to be able to enjoy your outdoors.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Fairy Godmother, she's doing great. Fairy Godmother of building. So please make sure you give me a call at 407-808-9845. 407-808-9845 if you'd like to talk to me about Linger or list. Thanks, Raquel.
Thank you, Kim. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Make sure that you subscribe and like so that we can continue to give you up-to-date information on all things that are going around the 25-mile radius of Cinderella's castle, because this is truly a magical place to live.